Hey guys, so I was asked to do a Tumblr challenge, so here it goes. My name is Danielle, I'm a female. My nicknames are Raptor, Thumper, Dora, and Demi. My height is 5'6". I'm straight. I'm 17. My eye color is green, but sometimes hazel. My hair color, I'm brunette. I don't smoke, I do drink, I don't do drugs. Do I have a job? No, I'm a relationship. I'm in year 12. Favorite sport? Touch and athletics. I love watching rugby league and I go for Titans. Favorite colour? Blue. Favorite bands would be A Day to Remember, Escape the Fate, Living End, All Time Low, Bring Me the Horizon, Blackfield Brides, and Never Shout Never. Siblings, I have one brother. Tattoos, I can't wait to get mine. Piercings, I only have my ears done twice. Hobbies, sport and music. My best friends would be Tanita, Hayden, and Jackson. Things that pee me off. When people don't spell properly, people think they're top shit, and liars. List the names of everyone you have texts in your inbox from. I'm not gonna say the names. Yeah, it's kind of too many. What are your favorite foods? Pasta, salad, and Chinese. Talk about an obsession of yours. I love dream catchers, tattoos, and piercings. What do you do to stay healthy? I exercise regularly and I try to eat healthy. List 10 turn-ons in the opposite sex. Have to be caring, trust, cute, muscular, I love muscles. They have to be themselves, sporty, and into the same music. Oh, and funny. Share your zodiac sign. I'm Aquarius. What I'm really bad at? Golf. I went golfing the other weekend for my friend's birthday and I found out I really do suck. What I want to be when I get older? Personal trainer. My relationship with my parents? We get on really well. Most of the time. A description of the guy I like. He's cute, he's really nice, and we get on really well. What I hate the most about school? It's time consuming and all the assignments. What words can't you stand? The word cunt. A description of my best friend. She's absolutely amazing and I can tell her everything. I wish that I wished for repeatedly on 11/11. I'm not gonna say my wish, but I do wish for there to be peace and happiness in our world. The sweetest thing anyone's ever said to me. You're beautiful. Okay, that's my Tumblr challenge for today. Follow me, it's DANNIALYCEE.tumblr.com. Bye.